Welcome. If you're looking to cut down on distractions from LinkedIn job post updates, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to disable push notifications for job post updates on LinkedIn using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture labeled as Me. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your preferences. Next, find and click on the Notifications tab in the menu. This section controls all the alerts LinkedIn sends you, from messages to job updates. Now, scroll down until you see the Hiring Someone category. Under this section, click on Job Posts. This is where LinkedIn groups all job-related notifications, including those about new job posts and updates. Inside the job post settings, look for Job Post Updates. Click on it to open more detailed notification options. Here's the key step. You'll see a toggle or switch for push notifications. Simply click to turn this off. Once disabled, you'll stop receiving real-time push notifications on your device for job post updates. That's it. You've successfully disabled push notifications for job post updates on LinkedIn. You can always come back to this menu if you want to adjust your notification preferences in the future. Taking control of your notifications helps you focus on what matters most, without unnecessary interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other LinkedIn tips to make your professional life even smoother. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.